Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to use the cruise control. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now I will not be driving while showing you this just because I don't have any type of phone holder while I'm doing it and I don't want to hold the phone in my hand, but still I will explain you everything and you should be good to go after watching this video. Now the first thing, to turn on the cruise control, you want to press this button right here on the right side of the steering wheel, and once you press it you will get this icon here, meaning that the cruise control is turned on. See? On or off. And once you do that, then you want to speed up to your desired speed. So let's say you want to drive 60 miles per hour. So you will speed up to 60 miles per hour and then you will press this set button once. Once you press the set button, the speed will be memorized and the vehicle will drive 60 miles. And at that point, you can remove your right leg from the gas pedal and you will still be driving. Now, in case you want to accelerate or decelerate, actually adjust the saved speed, you have these two buttons, plus or minus. So let's say I press plus once, that's gonna speed up to 61, 62, 63. Same thing goes if you want to slow down. Now, if you want to completely terminate the cruise control, if you want to disable it, actually, you can press either on a brake pedal. As soon as you touch the brake pedal, the cruise control will disengage. And the other option, you can press this left button here on the steering wheel. This will disengage it. And then in the future, if you want to resume your saved speed from before, so let's say you had it set at 60 miles per hour, you disabled it and then you want to resume that speed, you will just press again this RES button, that means resume. You will press it once and again the saved memory speed will be 60 miles and the vehicle will drive that speed. To completely turn off the cruise control, you have to press this button again and then this icon here will disappear. If the icon is here, that means the cruise control is engaged. Yeah, it's as simple as that. I also want to share a couple of tips. Always be careful if using cruise control in the winter, on the snowy road, icy road, muddy road, anything like this, especially if you are driving like uphill, because what will happen, if you go uphill, the vehicle will shift to a lower speed, our RPMs will go up because the vehicle has to speed up, and then if there is ice on the road, you might lose control. That happened to me once and I learned my lesson. So I suggest use cruise control when the road conditions are good. Other tip I want to say, most of drivers while using cruise control will have their legs positioned somewhere here because they do not have to keep pressing the gas pedal, right? But what happens if there is something on the road, the reaction time to move your leg from this position to the brake is much longer than if you have your legs here and just switch to the brake, right? You're losing almost a second. So that's also something to keep in mind. I also like to have my legs here just in case I need to brake, right? Because from here I have to lift my leg up and then press it. Just a friendly tip, just from my experience. Also had some issues while driving like this. There was an animal on the road and I took too much time actually to brake. So since that situation, my leg is always resting here. Just a friendly advice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.